Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the PHP conditional assignment operator and how we can use inside our real-time projects. So right now we have two operator like a conditional assignment operator like question mark dots and two time is a question marks. So this is the real-time project always using. I am always use my real-time project both operator, but mainly I am using first one operator like so I have already opened my index.php file and also I open my server. So I will explain how to use like a first operator. After I can explain like a second one operator means two time equal to two time question marks. So first of all I will create a one variable name like my variable name there like a test is equal to blank. Okay, and I will use like echo is not empty test. So this is the meaning like a question mark. So when types of is the condition work. Okay, suppose if means test is there, so it's going to inside. Suppose it's not there, so going to else part. Same thing is the else if else condition, but this is the working like this way operator like a is not empty inside. Suppose here their value, so going to inside, otherwise not their value, so going to else part. Suppose I can type like a welcome and I save this file and I just go back and refresh the page, so you can see it like we have not passed any value inside a test variable. This reason automatic showing the welcome means as a else part. So is like an after two dots operator, after you can see it like a welcome. Suppose I will pass here like a one value like a test. Okay, and I save this file, so is a printing like a test. Suppose here I can refresh the page, so you can see test. Suppose I have no variable like this, and future means that sometimes this variable name found, sometime variable not found in our project inside real-time project. So not generate any error because we are using the is not empty. So I can show you first so you can understand. So automatic print like a welcome, like this variable not found, this does not generate the issue, and suppose variable value found, so automatic go inside, otherwise you can print like welcome. So real-time projects, suppose do you want to print like your login, after you need to print like a welcome, what is your name means welcome. Suppose do you want to print like a welcome Alex. Okay, suppose do you want to print like Alex default name, welcome users, suppose user is our default name, test inside there is a like my name is. Okay, so what do you want to suppose database inside name not there, so you need to print here like a users. Suppose database inside name found, so what is the variable name inside you are staring your database name, so automatic print here. So here I can make it like a welcome and I just use the concat variable I already explained. So do you want to follow this series, so you can see it like this variable like a test. Okay, I just save. Okay, I see because welcome is still not concating this reasons. Okay, 1 minute, concat not working, so I use this as a different variable, name is equal to, and after I concat for this name and semicolon, I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like welcome test. Suppose here is the test name there, suppose here is the test name not there, so you can see it like a welcome user by means it. Okay, I have not saved this file, this reason, and I just go back and refresh the page, so you can see it like a welcome user. So in our real project we can show here default name, so we need to use for this operator. There are lots of place using this operator. I will give the Laravel example once I will explain like a two time question mark operator. So let's first explain like a two time question mark operator. After we can going to like a Laravel example how we can using like is not empty operator. Okay, so let's remove this one, we don't need now. Just echo and I can say like a $test question mark, and I can set like a name about the Alex. Okay, and I save this file and I just go back again, and you can see it like Alex is printing because of here is no any value found for this variable, and also you don't found like undefined variable because of the we are using like a two time question mark operator. Okay, suppose I can see it like a test, here I can print like test inside test string and just go back and refresh the page, so you can see it here is a found the test because value found. Suppose here is a blank value also there, So also print here blank value because of the we have found this test variable. You can see it. You see blank value print here, and I have no variable, so same thing printing like a else part. Okay, so you can see it. Suppose we are using the like get method. Okay, so get method, and I can pass like a test here and get method, and I will refresh the page, so you can see it here is a printing Alex because of the get method inside not found anything. Just copy this name and I just go back up, and here I print like test is equal to welcome. So you can see it automatic found the welcome because of the test we are find out inside a get method. Suppose I can change here name and I refresh the page, so you automatic found the Alex because I can't found the my get method name. Suppose I can change here get method name like tests and I refresh the page, so you can see it here like a welcome also found. Whatever value I can add here, this is the value here found. So this is the meaning about the like a this operator work like a 2-time question mark. Okay, so let's explain how we can use inside our real projects. So suppose I will give you the one example about Laravel. Okay, also I will explain how to work inside real project, but I will give you the example inside Laravel. I have one model there inside Laravel. Suppose you have Laravel knowledge, so you can understand, otherwise impossible to understand. Okay, save model. So this is the model. Okay, inside suppose I will submit the form and I get the name. So what I pass here, name dollar request name. Okay, sometime name found, sometime name not found, so I need to add my default name. Suppose sometime name found and sometime not found, so I am always using like is not empty. Suppose name found, so going to inside, otherwise I need to add inside my database like a default name like a user. So this is the meaning about this operator. Okay, now I need to make last name. So last name how to work, save means is like we need to store inside our database. This reason I am using like save method inside a Laravel. Okay, like last name I need to use like a L name. Last name means L name. So here we can do like suppose L name found blank not blank, L name suppose L name found, so is 100% going to L name, but suppose L name input field is not there, so automatic going to users. This is the meaning about like 2-time and 1-time operator works. So automatic going to database users. Suppose L name means the input field is not there L name, but some form is the input field there L name, like we are using the like student registration form, so L name there, but admin registration, so we don't need a like a L name because we just need a like name. Okay, admin to admin, we don't need a L name, so we can using like this condition. So automatic work like L name, otherwise you can pass here like a blank, whatever do you want to like, so you can do it. So not generate the error. This reason we need to use like a to operator in real-time projects. I hope do you have everything is clear. So do you have any questions, so please comment down, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.